All right. Hello, everyone. As that video goes uploading, we are going to start backtesting, right? We are going to start backtesting. Let's call this 20, I don't know. Let's call this backtesting 2.0. Strategy that we're going to be using is the one I just created. This is going to be 6E. Um, okay. What the fuck? Wait, I'm just going to use my mouse. I don't know why my laptop's touchpad isn't working properly, but I'll just go ahead and use it because I'm used to that. So we're gonna start with 2024. I was gonna do 2025, but I was like, why? Like, ideally, the best part would be if I have 2 years of backtesting data, right? Because I really want to make it this year, guys. So we're gonna start with a basic 100K account, and we're gonna start up the session. So you guys could fast forward this. You guys could do whatever. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna properly go at it. It might be a year, an hour long. I don't know, guys, and that's perfectly okay. Canvas. Let me just clear some of these things. None. Just want to make sure I'm recording. I am. This needs to be closed. Yeah, I think more or less we're good. Indicators. I'm gonna turn on the session indicator. Just gonna fix the settings up a bit. So these are the sessions timings that I use for Asia. It's midnight. I usually go to 2. Some people close at midnight, but I'm like, I won't trade before London, and I do want the liquidity before that as well, right? I think the other ones are fine. 7 to 11. I like trading 7 to 10, but we're gonna see. Okay, so the sessions are set. 11 in London is 2 to 5. Okay, we're good. Now, what do? The first thing, we look at the daily. We see what are we doing here. Nothing. This day I am not trading. I'm not crazy. I'm not trading this day. We're just gonna let me just fix this. Sync time frame. We do this. We play. So here is the time that's showing. So I just want to get into the next day, uh, which is gonna be at 8 now. This could be the target, but I'm avoiding. That is why I was avoiding. Now over here, it went below it, it closed above it. This day is bullish. This is my target. Now with this setup, I think you average like 4 or 5 trades a month, but that's fine as long as it's working. So this is my target. Like I said, that I need 4 confirmations. Daily bias is in sync. Let's see what the 15-minute is doing. So wait, man, this is confusing. I need to close these. Yeah, better. And I just need to get rid of this volume indicator. Okay, so this was my, well, we could just highlight this, this. Higher high, higher low. Between this, man, I want to remove this. Can I remove this? Tradezilla, tell me, can I not remove this? Open market status closed, chart values closed, bar change target closed. Man, just clean the chart up a bit for fuck's sake, yeah? I don't know why this isn't moving, but it's okay. Like, this is very confusing, I'm not gonna lie. But I don't know how to remove this. Hide marks. No. Settings. This should be on canvas. Session break, crosshairs, scales and lines. Uh, Plus button. No. Anyways, I guess we can't do much. Okay, so on the 15-minute, what structure do we see? Lower low, lower high. We're bullish. We are bullish. That's all we need to know. Our daily bias is also bullish, I think. Really? Or was it bearish? No, it is bullish. Okay, so we are bullish. All we need to do is now we need to see if we get below London's. What are you doing, trading seller? Okay, I want to get below that for an entry. We got below that. Okay, now just do know that I'm also learning this with you guys. No entry right now. I do not see a break of structure, to be honest. I mean, it did see a break of structure now, but now we're in New York. We gotta wait for New York. Wait for that. Okay, so with New York, oh man, that is one ugly looking Fibonacci. But that would not be an entry. Now we are in below the 50% zone, so I could be looking for an entry. Okay, structure wise, where are we at? This, then it went here. This, 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 this. Did not break structure. This is the point I'm looking at for it to break. Have not broken. Okay. Now, we did see a break in structure. Now, here's the entry confirmation, right? Once I get that break of structure, I'm looking to enter off of this order block. Very simply put. I will just long it over here. 56, let's do 61, 62. Where is that line? Now, here's the thing. I either wanted to go to that line or I wanted to hit a 1:5. Okay, so 1:4 is what's going to happen if it works out. I want to risk, I have 100,000 accounts, so I want to risk $1,000. Let's see how many contracts this needs. 14, 15, 14. Limit by yo. Okay, could go both ways. Okay, so this goes probably for a TP. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go on journal, trade notes. We need journaling is very important, guys. I think I don't need pictures, but what I do need is daily bias was synced, 15-minute trend was there, liquidity was taken, and the entry confirmation was there. So you know what? Maybe one thing I could add. How much time has it been? It's just been 8 minutes, guys. This video is gonna be long. One potential thing I feel like I could add in this in the rules is 5 minute order block or fair value gap, right? Because that's what I look at. 5 minute OB FVG entry, right? You just want to save this there. So now, if I just do at this, go at this again, trade notes, boom, strategies, boom, 5 minute OB because this did click it. For tags, I want to do, so I just do the session tag, and then if it hits like 50%, 15 minute 50, like no liquidity but retracement, NY 50% retracement. That's it. Okay, moving on. Now we wait for the next day to form, and that day has already, now you see that target has already been hit, so I won't be looking to trade this day because I knew price was going to come here and it already did. This day is not a trading day for me. Let's see what happens. Day is closed. This is closed bullish. Now over here is the day where I could actually trade. This is my target. Now I'll go on the 15 minute and I would want to see structure. Initially, it was this. Did price break it? It did, but did it wick it? It wicked it. That's not a clear break of structure. Hmm. But okay, 15 minute is not in sync with this. Let's just stick to that. I don't know why it's going this slow. But we are still bullish. Like, are we bullish? Yeah. Okay. Now we're just gonna go on the 1 minute. We're gonna see if we find any entries. Do remember 15 minute over here. We do not have one specific because like if I was to see this, remove this distraction. Higher low, okay, we were here. These were the 2 points. Price wicked above it. Before wicking up, this was the lowest it went. Okay, we're just so you see, 15 minutes could be confusing sometimes. That's okay. Let's see what happens over here. So we were here, we came here, we went up, we came down. That is the point I am looking for it to break. Hopefully, it has. I'm just gonna go ahead, look at the entry. So, okay, it's retracing back. Just to be sure, we did break structure. Now over here, we haven't broken this structure, right? Because although you see this broke this did not break this. So this could be the point. Now this is where I would say it's up to the trader, right? It's up to the trader. Now for me, it's 3:35. I still have time. This is a nice sort of area, but you see price has rejected this, right? So, okay, it is coming in. So you know what? Just let's just stick to the strategy. If it's a loss, it's a loss. You can see how my emotions are playing, telling you guys that I'm also a noob. Also, one thing I do like here is 79 is price could just come up from here because there is fair value gap here, right? But let's see, where's my target at? It's over here. We're gonna take it all the way over here. Actually, we're gonna stop at 1:5 because it's either 1:5 or it's we're just gonna do 10 contracts. 926 is unfortunately the only thing we can do. And let's see if it okay, it did give us an entry. No, that does not look good. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Losses happen. We're just journaling here. We want to see what's working, what's not. Over here, what was wrong? So there was a break of structure, definite break of structure. So we know we're not wrong there. 15 minute was in sync. Daily bias was untapped. It was a little bit of confusion because it did wick out the area, but that's okay. Liquidity was taken, entry confirmation was there, 5 minute OBFPG was there. Everything was right. Sometimes it's just not your day. That's okay. We're still up 3%. Let's see what happens now. We run into New York. Let's see if we get any entry there. Let it New York start. New York has started. This is my point that I want the break of structure to happen from. No, no, that this is my point that I want the structure to happen from. Doesn't look like we're gonna get it today. Price is not moving as I wanted to. Oh, it could. Oh, okay. So we did get the break of structure, although I don't think I will be able to get an entry here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up this ugly ass Fibonacci. I'm just gonna fix this up. I'm sorry, this looks pathetic. One, this just looks absolutely pathetic. Why? No color. This is fine. Okay. Next. Now, ideally, I should enter from the 50%, but the OB is here. So we're just gonna go at it from here. 146. Wow, that's a big stop. One. Why am I doing 146 and then 150 is fine. Our TP is over here. Now, here's the problem, right? Lewis says if it's anything between less than a 1:5, reduce your entry. So if my entry was reduced, I would come here. That's what Lewis says, guys. I don't make the rules. And let's see. No, 8, no, 7, no, 6. A7 is fine. We're gonna buy. Well, okay, we did enter. That's nice. Okay, technically, I feel like we could go break even now. And let's see what happens. I don't like it. I feel like this won't work. Yeah. Ideally, I mean, I did hit the, over here. It should have just closed it over here because it did take the current high. That's fine. We have a strategy. We're going to stick through this. That's all right. This should well happen. I just should remove all the drawings. How much time has it been in the video? It's been 17 minutes. We are going to finish off, or at least January, guys. All right, guys. So a small problem. I paused the video. I don't know when, but overall, I think we just had one more loss over here. So we're in four. We've taken four positions. This was a loss. Well, it is what it is. Everything was in sync. Daily wise was in sync with the bearish trend. 15-minute was bearish. Liquidity was taken. Entry confirmation was there. 5-minute order block was there as well. Uh, this was NY session. This was London session. This was 4 to 5 a.m. And yeah, now we just wait. Now, yes, we did hit it, but could it be another trade entry? Let's see. Now, ideally this could, but I would want to avoid it because of news. Yeah, because you see 8:30 news. Although, okay, now that's what I was saying before. I think I paused this video, right? The trade that I took in London, yeah, uh, I didn't want to take it, but it fit the rules. So now over here as well, I think this also fit the rules. Let me just check. So this was my point. Where did it broke structure here, right? So ideally, if I see an order block or an FBG, I don't. Okay, I don't. So we're not gonna try it. It will hit. Yeah, it would have hit, but that's okay. We're not gonna just fake results. We're just being honest, right? We want to make it in trading. Okay, I feel like I fucked up. What happened there? Okay, so we wanted to go here. Did we get an entry or anything of that sort? Nah. We were bearish. So that's okay. Over here, we're not trading. Oh, we are. Okay, so we are bullish because price went below this. That is my target. Ideally, bullish target. Let's see if what's happening on the 15 minute. Price came here, retraced, came here, broke it, and we are bullish. All right. Now we want something. Okay, we go on the 1 minute. We see nothing yet. Nah. No. That could have been a trade. Let's hope I didn't get minimum five. Yeah, no, that's not great. Because I also put a rule on 5 minute order block and fair value drop, right? I feel like that helped. Okay, we're just gonna go on the 5 minute till NY opens. NY has opened. Right. I do want this to take liquidity. I don't think it will. Okay, it should. Right. I think that's one goal that I need to keep with myself. I need to see a retracement to sort of feel that I should go on the lower time frame. Because you see, I don't think there was what's happened here. I don't think there was any setup here. Nothing. Okay, what day is it? It's the 29th. We're almost ending January here, guys. And we're up 3%. I mean, not the best, not the worst. If I have a 100K account, I'm making 3 grand. I'm going to be honest, I'm okay with that. Okay, last 2 days. What do we see here? This, I am bullish on this. I want price to come here. Let's see if the 15 minute agrees with me. 15 minute does not agree with me. It is not bullish. It is bearish. And the daily was, the daily was bullish. Anyways, we take a time. Let's see. 1 minute. Before we even look at it, let's just do this. I hope you guys didn't look at it. I did not. Let's hope recording's happening. Recording is happening. We are at 22 minutes. That's okay. We should be done soon. 2 more days. Okay. So where am I? That was my break of structure. That is an order block right there. Technically, I don't think that's an entry. Although now is my entry. Yeah. Okay. I just wanted to make sure on this. Uh, I'll tell you what, right? I'll tell you why. Also, just know I'm not trying to make this strategy profitable just for the heck of it because I also want to learn things. I also want to know this would work for me. So as we see, this was previous low, this came up, this broke it. This was my high. This came up, this broke it. This did not really come up, it's just one candle up, right? So I would want this break of structure to happen before I get into any of it. Or I mean, in an ideal world, this. And in fact, this happened too. So we're good. Although, did it take out Asia's liquidity as well? No. Now, it's coming down. Now, what I want to see here is we're just gonna go 50%, right? Like what we do when we get confused. 50% is right here. we actually is 50% here. No, we just want to be precise. Yeah, 50% was there. And we target here, which is okay. This is bad. This is just 1.2 point. Now Lewis says I need to go down till here. I don't think I'm gonna be. I don't think I'm gonna get triggered here. Oh, I am. Lewis. Lewis knows this shit, man. Anyways, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna close this. We're gonna do this. 12. Now I'm just looking at the risk here and then putting up contracts. So 13 contracts, 980. That's okay. That's my trade. Let's see what happens. I don't like it. Okay. Now since we've gone up, I'm just gonna go ahead and break even this. This is 30th, so if I do get a profit, that's pretty good. Come on. Come on. Okay. We got it. We got it. We got it. And that's about it, right? So NY, we've hit target. We're waiting. And we go next day. Went up, did not close. This is my target, but I feel like it could be achieved without. Yeah. So that's it. That's it for January. We're just gonna go ahead see how much we made. Where is this trade? Backtesting. We're gonna look at the stats session results. Okay, so as you can see, 60% win rate. I think one of them was a break even. Anyways, we've made 8228, which is around 8%. Uh, 5 trades, 2 hours. I don't know what this is. So yeah, this is for January, and yeah. So that being said, we are at 27 minutes. So ideally a 30-minute video. Now you see where I'm getting at with this, right? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep recording every month, and I'll keep uploading every month. And then we'll see. We have 2 years of history. We'll see what works. We'll see what does not work. And I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe, like, comment, do whatever if you guys are watching. If you guys aren't, that's okay. You will once I make it.